Did you ever stop to think about how smoking is not only affecting your health, but the health of society as a whole? Let's take a moment to consider the widespread impact of smoking. It's not just a personal choice, but rather a public health concern with consequences that ripple throughout our society. Every year, smoking claims the lives of over 7 million people worldwide. These aren't just numbers, they are fathers, mothers, brothers, sisters, friends. Each one is a story cut short, a life that could have been. Smoking doesn't discriminate. It affects individuals from all walks of life, leading to a host of health issues from heart disease and stroke to various types of cancer. It's a grim reality that nearly half of all smokers will die prematurely from a smoking-related disease. But the impact of smoking doesn't stop at the individual level. It seeps into our healthcare system, weighing it down with the enormous burden of treating these preventable diseases. In the United States alone, smoking-related healthcare costs exceed $170 billion each year. That's money that could be used for education, infrastructure, and other societal needs. And let's not forget about secondhand smoke. Those who choose not to smoke can still find themselves at risk if they're around others who do. Every year, secondhand smoke causes over 40,000 deaths from heart disease and lung cancer in non-smokers. That's not a choice, that's a consequence. The societal costs of smoking extend even further. Lost productivity due to smoking-related illnesses and premature death amounts to over $156 billion each year, and these figures don't even account for the emotional toll on families and communities. So you see, smoking isn't just a personal issue, it's a societal one. It's a drain on our healthcare system, a burden on our economy, and a threat to the health of those who don't even choose to light up. With such a significant impact, it's clear that promoting smoking cessation is crucial for our health and society. Let's explore how we can make this happen together. The first way to promote smoking cessation is through education. Fostering a deeper understanding of the dangers of smoking and the benefits of quitting is a crucial step in the journey towards a smoke-free life. The power of education is not to be underestimated. When we arm ourselves with the right knowledge, we can make informed decisions. This is particularly important when it comes to smoking, because the dangers are often concealed beneath the surface. Education can help reveal the harsh reality of the health risks, from lung cancer to heart disease. On the flip side, understanding the benefits of quitting, such as improved lung function and reduced risk of stroke, can provide a positive motivation to quit. This vital information can be disseminated through various platforms, including schools, workplaces, and public campaigns, reaching a wide audience. Knowledge is power, and when it comes to smoking, it can be the power to quit. The second way to promote smoking cessation is by creating and strengthening support systems. Now, who makes up these systems? The answer is simple. It's the people around us, our family, friends, and even members of support groups. These individuals play a vital role in encouraging and sustaining the decision to quit smoking. They provide the emotional backing and motivation needed to overcome the challenges that come with this transformative journey. But support systems aren't just about people. They also encompass professional services like counseling and therapy. These services offer a safe space for individuals to express their struggles, fears, and victories on the path to becoming smoke-free. They provide strategies and tools to handle cravings and relapses, making the journey less intimidating. In essence, a support system is like a safety net, always ready to catch you when you stumble. A strong support system can make the journey to quit smoking less daunting. The third way to promote smoking cessation is through nicotine replacement therapy. This approach uses products that provide low doses of nicotine, without the toxins found in smoke, to help curb the cravings associated with nicotine withdrawal. By relieving these cravings, individuals working to quit smoking can focus more on the behavioral aspects of their addiction. Nicotine replacement therapy comes in several forms, including patches, gum, and inhalers. The patches are worn on the skin and slowly release nicotine throughout the day. Nicotine gum is chewed to release nicotine and then placed between the cheek and gum to continue the absorption. Inhalers, on the other hand, allow the user to inhale nicotine vapor, closely mimicking the action of smoking. Research has shown that when used correctly, these therapies can double the chances of successfully quitting smoking. So no matter how long you've been smoking or how many times you've tried to quit, nicotine replacement therapy can be a valuable tool in the fight against smoking. The fourth way to promote smoking cessation is through prescription medication. Now, this isn't an attempt to replace one pill with another. Rather, it's about using science and medicine to our advantage. There are several types of prescription medications that can help ease the journey to becoming smoke-free. These medications work in different ways. Some, like bupropion, work by reducing cravings and withdrawal symptoms. Others, such as varenicline, block nicotine receptors in the brain, making smoking less pleasurable. It's important to note that these medications aren't a magic bullet. They're most effective when used in conjunction with other strategies, like counseling or lifestyle changes. And, as with any medication, there can be side effects, so it's essential to discuss these options with a healthcare provider. Prescription medication can be a game changer for those struggling to quit smoking. It's another tool in our arsenal to combat the hold that nicotine can have on us. The fifth way to promote smoking cessation is through lifestyle changes. Now, you might be wondering, what does changing my lifestyle have to do with quitting smoking? Well, let me tell you, it's essential. When you're on this journey to stop smoking, you'll notice that certain habits or environments might trigger the urge to light up. That's where lifestyle changes come in. First, let's talk about diet. Consuming a balanced diet not only improves your overall health, but it also reduces cravings. For instance, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins can help to curb the urge to smoke. Next, exercise. Regular physical activity can distract you from cravings and reduce withdrawal symptoms. It also releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that can help combat the stress and anxiety associated with quitting. Lastly, stress management. Techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or even yoga can help manage the stress that often accompanies the quitting process. Lifestyle changes can not only help you quit smoking but also lead to a healthier, happier life. The sixth way to promote smoking cessation is through alternative therapies like hypnotherapy and acupuncture. These unconventional methods have seen success in many people, and they might just be the ticket to your smoke-free life. Hypnotherapy delves into your subconscious, aiming to alter your perception of smoking. By changing the way you think about smoking, it can help manage cravings and reduce the appeal of cigarettes. On the other hand, acupuncture, an ancient Chinese practice, targets specific points in your body to help reduce cravings and withdrawal symptoms. It's believed that stimulating these points can balance your energy flow, or qi, helping you to resist the urge to light up. Remember, these therapies are not standalone solutions, but they can be a valuable part of your overall cessation plan. It's always important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment. Exploring alternative therapies can open new doors to smoking cessation. The seventh way to promote smoking cessation is through the use of technology aids. We live in a digital age where every information and assistance is at our fingertips, and this includes support for quitting smoking. There are numerous apps available that can help in tracking your progress, managing cravings, and even rewarding achievements. Some apps use cognitive behavioral therapy techniques to help change your smoking habits. Online communities too play a significant role. These platforms provide a space for people to share their experiences, struggles, and victories. It's an environment where you don't have to feel alone in your journey. Moreover, the internet is a treasure trove of digital resources. From articles and blogs to ebooks and webinars, you can find a wealth of information to educate yourself about the harmful effects of smoking and the benefits of quitting. Remember, technology can be a powerful ally in your quest to quit smoking. The eighth way to promote smoking cessation is through public policies. Public policies are like the invisible hand guiding society, shaping behaviors and laying the groundwork for healthier choices. One potent tool in this arsenal is smoking bans. By restricting where people can smoke, such as in public places or near schools, we can protect non-smokers from secondhand smoke and also make smoking less convenient. Next up, we have tax increases on cigarettes. By making smoking a costly habit, we can deter people, especially the younger generation, from picking up their first cigarette. It's a simple principle of economics. As prices go up, demand tends to go down. Lastly, let's talk about advertising restrictions. By limiting the promotion of tobacco products, especially those targeting young people, we can reduce the allure of smoking. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. These three, the smoking bans, tax increases, and advertising restrictions, work together, synergistically. Public policies can help create an environment that discourages smoking. The ninth way to promote smoking cessation is through personal motivation. The journey towards a smoke-free life can often be fueled by the power of personal motivation. This is the inner spark, the driving force that comes from within, pushing us towards making healthier choices. The reasons to quit smoking are as diverse as the individuals who make the decision. For some, it's a matter of health. The realization that every puff is a step towards potential health hazards can be a strong motivator. For others, it's about their loved ones. The thought of sparing family and friends from secondhand smoke or setting a good example for the younger generation can be incredibly powerful. Then there are those motivated by personal achievement. The reclaiming of control over one's life, the triumph of willpower over addiction, can be a deeply satisfying accomplishment. It's about proving to oneself that change is possible, that old habits can be broken. Personal motivation can be the driving force that propels you towards smoking cessation. The 10th way to promote smoking cessation is through seeking professional help. Healthcare professionals play a crucial role in the journey towards a smoke-free life. They are equipped not only with the knowledge of the harmful effects of smoking, but also a wealth of resources and treatments designed to aid in smoking cessation. Doctors, nurses, and therapists are trained to provide advice tailored to each individual's needs, taking into account their unique health situation and personal smoking history. They can offer a variety of treatments from nicotine replacement therapy to prescription medication, and even alternative therapies like hypnotherapy and acupuncture. In addition to prescribing treatments, healthcare professionals also offer support throughout the quitting process. They can help manage withdrawal symptoms, provide motivation during tough times, and celebrate milestones along the way. Remember, quitting smoking is a journey, and it's okay to seek help along the way. Professional help can provide the guidance and support needed to quit smoking. The journey to quit smoking may be challenging, but it's a journey worth taking. Remember, we've explored 10 effective ways to promote smoking cessation. From understanding the impact of smoking on our health and society, to harnessing the power of education and support systems. We've delved into the benefits of nicotine replacement therapy, prescription medication, and the importance of lifestyle changes. We've even navigated the realms of hypnotherapy and acupuncture, technology aids, public policies, personal motivation, and professional help. Each strategy is a tool, a stepping stone on the path to a smoke-free life. They can be tailored to your unique journey, allowing you to take control and reclaim your health. It's a journey of 1,000 miles that begins with a single step, and that step is yours to take. Remember, every cigarette not smoked is a victory. So embrace the challenge, harness the tools, and embark on your journey to quit smoking. Take the step today. Your health, your life, and our society will thank you for it.